Join us on a hike to a unique volcanic wonder in Oregon, Clear Lake. We're beginning our hike at the Waterfalls Loop Trailhead just below Clear Lake. This way we can visit two enormous waterfalls along the way, Koosa Falls and Sahali Falls, and then do a loop hike around the whole lake for a total of about 9 miles. Here's an overview map so you can see the whole route. The loop trail around the lake is about 5 miles, and it's about 2 miles to get to the lake from the trailhead, making the whole hike a 9-mile lollipop loop. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Getting to the trailhead is about a 2.5-hour drive from Portland or an hour and 15 minutes drive east of Eugene. Fairly immediately after starting out on the trail, Koosa Falls comes into view. In addition to the huge waterfall, there are streams of water apparently coming out of the sides of the canyon wall, likely through underground lava rock. After seeing the whole waterfall from below, you can hike up to the top of it, which is pretty cool. Brian said I looked like the Pillsbury Doughboy with all my layers. It was a little cold. After passing Koosa Falls, the trail follows the beautiful McKenzie River towards Sahalie Falls. We continued on past Sahali Falls toward the hike's final destination, Clear Lake. Clear Lake and the waterfalls were formed when lava flows dammed the McKenzie River 3,000 years ago. The eastern side of the lake is where the lava flowed in, and you can still see the lava fields today. When the lake formed, it flooded the surrounding forest, and the 3,000-year-old trees are actually still preserved under the lake due to the extremely cold water temperature that minimizes decay. We've heard it's possible to see the preserved trees from the surface by taking a boat out onto the lake. Rowboats and kayaks can be rented from the Clear Lake Resort, which also has cabins for rent. I'm excited to go back sometime and take a rowboat out onto the lake to look for the underwater trees. You can see the Clear Lake Resort on the northwest side of the map here. On the northeast side of the lake is one of the coolest sights of the hike, the Great Spring. This is a key water source for Clear Lake and the McKenzie River, and you can see the water bubbling up from the ground and entering a stunningly blue-green pool, reminiscent of the nearby Tamalich Blue Pool. I think this might be the spring, as you can see the water is just popping out of the ground there. Up there too. The western side of Clear Lake looks really different than the east side, since the lava flow came from the east and was stopped by the water. The lava flows that created Clear Lake came from a nearby crater called Little Nash Crater, shown here as the red marker on the map. We drove over to the map marker to see what Little Nash Crater looks like today. Alright, we're gonna go peek inside Little Nash Crater. Stunning weather continues. There's certainly a lot of lava rock, but it doesn't really look natural. We wondered if it's perhaps being used as a gravel mine. While you're in the area, you may also enjoy the hike to the stunning Tamalich Blue Pool. Click the link in the upper right corner to watch our video on the Blue Pool. Thanks for joining us at Clear Lake and the Waterfalls Loop Hike. See you next time.